If you're looking for a hair mask that actually works, you can stop your search because this Remilia green cocoa hair mask is it. And I want to thank Remilia for sending this to me so that I could try it out and tell you all about it. So I am going to show you how I use it down here, and I want to tell you about this. So it does have coconut oil infused in it, and it also has green tea extract infused in it. The smell of it is absolutely amazing, and as you can see from the video, you're just going to put it like from here down. I have really fine hair, so I'm not going to put it like up here and on my scalp. So just now look at my hair. I used it this morning, and like I said, it's very fine. It gets really frizzy, and just look how nice and smooth that is. Also, you can pair it with these Remilia capsules. These are not swallowing capsules. These are, you break them open and put it on your hair. So yes, the hair mask, it actually works. Here's the proof. It's soft, it's not frizzy, it looks really nice and shiny, and I do very much recommend this Remilia hair mask. I would love to know if you use Remilia hair products. Put it down below. I would love to hear about your experience. And if you like this product, hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of products like this, please hit subscribe.